When you want to make a scale, you have to look at your graph should not be too big, it should not be too small, which means you decide a value that's easily accommodated inside the available space that you have in your graph paper. Okay, in this case, again you should know that you have to leave one empty, let's say, big square on the side of the y-axis and one empty big square on the, below the x-axis in order to have a reasonable graph. It should not be too small, it should not be too large, it should not be out of scale. So when you look at this, along the x-axis, how many squares do you have? How many squares do you have along the x-axis? 7. 7 big squares means how many divisions? So each square has how many divisions? 10. So one small division is 10. So number of small divisions is equal to 70. And total space that you have along the x-axis is 70. Now I said I want you to leave one blank on the side of the y-axis. So we have actually 60. It's a rough estimation, okay? I'm just doing a rough estimation. Okay, how many do you have along the y-axis? 10. We want to leave one below the y-axis, so it's like 90 divisions. We have 90 divisions, right? Okay. Now let's look at the table that we have, the values, the data that we have to plot. So the values that we have are if we look at the table on page 16, we have time goes from 0 seconds to 17 minutes. So time goes from 0 to 17 minutes or seconds and minutes? Minutes and okay. So then we can also put this as minutes, right? This can be minutes. And this is minutes. Okay, and then we have along the y-axis we have temperature which starts from 15 degrees to 91 degrees. So let's say it's approximately 0 to 100. 0 to 100 centigrade. What will be a suitable way of adjusting these? 10 करते हैं x-axis पे? Yes ma'am, 10 to 90 Wait, किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? x-axis y-axis? No, y-axis. So y-axis पे 10 because the last temperature is 91.6. So you can go with 10, 20, 30 and up to 90. That's सही हो गया? And along x-axis we have 17, 18 तक चाहिए. Actually we go to table. Nice. One can't be 3 है ना? So 3, 6, आगे and it's 9 and so on. ठीक हो गया? Do you get this now? I want you to leave one blank big box here and one blank big box here so that you can write the description of the axis and so on, and then you can go with this. Now you can start plotting your values. Okay? On the graph. Yes. Now you can start putting on the